So you like that?
Yeah.
So yeah, I'd use this in my bag. Hey, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, we're going to be talking about EDC flashlights. A company called Acebeam sent me this and would like me to do a review on it. So I'm going to do an honest review. I haven't opened it yet. And the way I'm going to compare this at the moment, even though they might not be in the same class, I haven't looked up to see, I don't leave all this fresh, is this is my everyday carry. This is my Olight Arkfeld. This is one of the original models. I wear this daily. This is the other model they came out with the UV light. And so I've worn this daily, use it daily. This is my main light. One day I sat down in a chair and the clip on the back caught the chair and bent and broke the thing. So that did happen. I've only had that happen once. This kind of clip didn't do that. It's the double clip that has the extra loop caught on a chair. Okay, so I put this on my table, my nightstand, and bought their newest model. And as you can see, I've worn it out. I've been using this for a while. But this is the double clip I was referring to. But this is how I'm going to compare the new light. So I have experience using these in my line of work. And I'm going to give my honest review on this. So let's get it open. Simple packaging. Comes with a keyring. And some O-rings. I'm assuming they're for the flashlight, but I don't know that. Got a belt clip. It's small. I like the size.
I like the color. The gold color.
Okay. I'm not looking at the instructions. Y'all bear with me. I'm just wanting to see. So it takes a... You charge the battery by USB-C. Those one will stop the batteries. It's 400 milliamp. And that's probably what the O-ring's for. So that's nice. Okay, got two beams. Let's cut the light on. So here's the beam. Oh, that's bright. Like that's bright.
That's cute.
So I'll look at its features and see if there's anything I'm missing, but it looks like you just got your light, you hold it to get brighter. And that is bright, like you can see, that's a bright light. And we're in a well-lit room. And then there's this. I like this. So I'm actually going to wear this. I'll use this in my EDC. And anytime I need my flashlight outside of the laser on it, I will gravitate to this, force myself to use this. At the moment, my favorite thing is the size. It's not as long, it's not as bulky. It really weighs about the same. Yeah, it weighs similar to this. This is just me feeling I ain't got my scale out. I can if I need to, but they feel very similar weight wise. I like this. So what I wind up probably doing with this is hooking this to my bag, and it'll be hooked on the top of my bag and it will sit down in a pocket. And if I need to get into my bag or quickly use it, I'll probably just pull it out, find what I need to on my bag. And if I need to use the light as a light, I'll use it as a light. I really like this. I like the size. Let's see if there's anything I'm missing. If I don't find anything new here, when I sit down later and do my research on it, I'll add it in this video. If there's anything, because I'm going to show all its features. Looks like it's magnetic. So it has a magnetic bottom. I don't know how strong the magnet is. I don't got a... Show me the magnet. It's not that strong of a magnet, depending on what you're looking for. Like,
will it hold? Yeah.
Yeah, it'll hold it up. It's just, I mean, no, it'll hold itself up. If you're familiar with the Olight magnet's about, I'm going to say twice as strong. At least sticking to this. But it's still sticking, like it ain't coming off. Okay, so it is slightly waterproof. It looks like from what I was reading a while ago. Like I wouldn't go swimming with it, but if it got dropped in the water or dropped in a tub, which happens to me sometimes with mine, I think it'd be perfectly fine. I don't see if it's got other colors.
Oh, it's SOS mode.
No, I was doing that.
Never mind.
Oh, so it does got red, green, blue.
Oh. Oh, it's like a... Is that SOS? Oh.
So you like that?
Yeah.
So yeah, I'd use this in my bag for sure.
I kind of want one.
Well, this one was sent to me. You can't have it.
I want a blue one.
So how much is this?
I don't know.
Like I haven't looked, but what I normally buy and use with other lights I have around the house and other stuff, without doing more testing, I'd like to see what this does when we're in a crawl space. And I like to do this outside, see what its distance is. Its distance that it will shine out to, I would easily give $50 for this, like without thinking. But if I was in a gun shop, or if a gun shop was selling this and I was in there and I saw it and I was playing with it, I'd have bought it. 100% I'd have bought this. Let's see how much it costs. So it looks like on Google they got black, orange.
They're blue.
It looks like they're around the $30 to $40 range on most websites.
That's pretty.
I don't know what they fully go for, but just a quick Google search, it looks like they're ranging from $30 to $40. I see a few listings for $26, but those might be old. So yeah, it's I would easily give $30 for this flashlight. Just my initial impression. I haven't actually got to use it. I don't know the durability of it. I don't know how long it'll last. Don't know how long the battery will last. So that's a big key to me, is going to be the battery. So typically with these, which again I don't know if they got a larger battery in them, I will charge this, and while we're at work I literally use this every day. I use this when I walk outside in the night. I use this when we walk the dogs. I use this at work. So this on average, now I don't hold a light out and leave it on the entire time I'm doing something. I probably use it for a moment or two and then cut it off. Pretty well used to. I don't leave mine on constantly, but I do get on average 2 weeks to a month on a light before I have to charge it. I usually carry 2 of these, but that's not altogether. That's just one light. I usually get about 2 weeks to a month out of it before I have to charge it. If I'm doing a job where I'm under a crawl space and the light's got to be on the entire time I'm under there, I'll probably get less than a week out of it. So this, I don't know what it will show, how long it will last, but I will actually give this test. I will actually wear this. I'll do an updated video on this in about maybe a month, couple weeks to a month, unless something changes that I really want to show. Here's my honest review of it. I haven't got to do the testing out in the light yet, but it is a bright. It has strobe mode. I will leave a link in the description to this. They sent this to me, the review. I don't know if it's a link where if you buy it we get money out of it or not, or if it's just for them. I ain't looked into all that, but either way I'll leave a link to it if anybody's interested in it. If anybody has any questions, let me know, and thanks for watching.